So that's going to be the Bayz 102 project. You can see how it looks from the outside. Well, we're going to have the first 15 levels will be podium levels for the parkings and mechanical floors. From 15 up to the rooftop will be the apartments. Amenities, we'll have them on the 14th level and 64 with the rooftop. One of the special amenities we're going to have in this project, which is the helipad on the rooftop for the flying taxis in the future. That's an actual image we took by drones from the 50th level from the project. That's going to be the plot. Of course, Bayz 102 is 102 floors. This image is only from half the way. So if you're familiar with the area, we're in the Business Bay downtown next to Burj Khalifa, right next to the GW Marriott Hotel. We're directly on the Al Mustaqbal Road, and this is the Sheikh Zayed Road, which is the main road in Dubai. You can see how we have really easy access into going directly to the main road. And for the transportations, the nearest metro will be the Business Bay, which is only about 5 minutes of walk. That's going to be the metro station, and that's the plot. You can see how close it is. For the views, we're going to have 4 different views. The front side of the building is facing the sea. These are all villas communities, so it's going to be an open view towards the sea, which is also your sunset view. That's going to be our Burj Khalifa view, and since we have a road here, you can even go for lower levels and you still have a clear view. The Business Bay skyline view, city view basically, with the canal. And we're going to have also the canal view from this side as well. Let's have a look at the night view together. You can see our city view at night, the Burj Khalifa, and as well as the sea with the canal. That's going to be our ground floor lobby. You can see how it looks. All of the designs, colors you're looking at will be exactly the same in real life. You can see how the ceiling is really high. It's about 10 meters. We're going to have 20 elevators with smart speed system inside the tower. Now starting off with the amenities. We're going to have more than 50. I'll be showing you the highlights. Amenities will be on the 14, 64 and rooftop. Starting off with the 14th level, our indoors gym facing the seaside. That's going to be one of the gyms we got inside of the project. One of the pools, the infinity pool facing the Burj Khalifa view and sea. In the same floor, you're going to have kids playground area, sports amenities such as like a basketball court, tennis court as well. That's the beauty salon for men and ladies. Moving on to the 64 level, that's going to be the hall for the Zumba Pilates classes, which is looking at the entire sea. It's like all glass around you. Moving on, you're going to have the business center offices area. You can have your own office. Everything will be provided for you, such as computers, laptops, Wi-Fi. You can see how it looks. And obviously that's going to be the bowling center inside the tower. And all of these amenities are free for the residents. That's the second infinity pool with an aqua gym inside, looking at the Burj Khalifa and sea view as well. There's like a new technology where you can work out in water. We're going to have that inside the tower. Alright, moving on to the rooftop level. That's going to be our yoga area. You can see how it looks. Well, in the rooftop, obviously we're going to have like a 360 view. We're looking at the entire city around us. We're also going to have a theater, Sky Cinema, for the residents. And here's a special area to watch the stars towards the entire city with telescopes, with a cigar lounge seatings in the rooftop. Well, obviously these are only the highlights. We're going to have more than 50 amenities, such as like a clinic with doctor, nursery with nanny, indoor-outdoor cinemas, party halls, and way more. You can check the brochures for the rest of the amenities.
Well, basically today we are talking about the project which is going to be exactly in front of the Sheikh Zayed Road. We are talking about only 3 minutes away, 3-minute distance only from the project to the Sheikh Zayed Road. In this case, you have the being a high level of the project which it has like in the business bay, but in the same time you are not involved with the traffic. So what is happening here, you can see that we are talking about a 3-minute away distance from the project to the metro station, which is going to literally help you for the investment. And from this side, you can see that the units which are located this side, we are talking about the Burj Khalifa view and the downtown. And the apartments which are this side, we are talking about the Jumeirah Sea view and the Sheikh Zayed side. So, well, the apartments which are going to be this side, we are talking about the canal of the business bay. And in total, as per of the name, we are talking about more than 102 floors, which is gonna be the one of the tallest floors in the one of the tallest buildings in the business bay. We are providing plus 40 amenities, which makes the project to be exactly like a 5-star hotel. So, well, basically today, as you can see, we are talking about the furniture of the 102 project, which is located in the business bay. As you can see, all the furniture, it comes like a fully branded, Dolce Vita branded. From this side, we are talking about apartments which are facing by Burj Khalifa view, and they have the private pool as well. So obviously the size is gonna be different. From this side, we are talking about the units which they have business bay and the canal side view. And in case if you're interested for the open kitchen, you can just close the glasses and use the space. Here we are talking about the one office. We are talking about the one office which the door will get closed with these glasses and the voice is not going to get transferred. Again, we are talking about the fully furnished offices. Here, as you can see, if you will just go for the details of the bedroom, the way that they have been designed, we are talking about the design with the some like a stone with the mirror. And as you can see, the design is going to be exactly the way that you will never face an issue for selling or rent it out. As long as in Dubai, all the nationalities that are living together, it's going to be matched with the taste of all the nationalities. You guys, you can see about the walk-in closet here. We are talking about the Milano and Casa Milano design for the washroom.